So we're always going to want to use a liner within our buckets because this resin, the chemical reaction is going to get really hot. It will melt through your bucket, so you're going to go through buckets like crazy. Take your liner, tape them on, so as it melts, it doesn't sink into your bucket. And you're going to take your measurements that you have right here on your part A and your part B. We're going to write them right over it. So our part A is 13 pounds. Our part B is 6.5 pounds, 6.5 pounds. So now we have all of that ready to go. We got it on a scale. We have it zeroed out. Whenever you're working with this stuff, double glove, just in case if you get a bunch of liner crap on your hands, you can rip off one pair of gloves. Whoever is mixing must have eye protection on. It's not worth it not to have eye protection. Okay, make sure you got your rags ready. This is part A. This is my part B. Right? Yes. Right. Part A, I'm going to want to hit 13 pounds exactly. When you open this up, it smells pretty foul. Ourselves. Grab your rags, wipe the bucket. Part B, we're doing 6.5, so we're going to want to zero out the scale. 6.5. Clean that bucket. Move this off the scale here. Grab your mixer. We're going to set a timer for 2 minutes. We'll want to move it up and down. We're going to have 1 foot on it. Got 30 more seconds. Make sure you agitate for that full time. We're really trying to get a chemical reaction, so if it's not agitated right, you have problems. Well, we're good. Okay, now Chance is moving the duct tape. We're ready to go. This is a small amount of resin. Because we're doing a heat assist, we don't have to hurry as much, but we still want to be quick with this in case it starts setting. And then once we get to the end here, you're going to want to kind of spin it, try not to get it all over the trailer. Put it right in there, and prepare a piece of tape to put over there. We're ready to start going.